Hi, this is Arup from the channel Language and Literature. Today's lesson is sentence structure. You know, sentence is the basic unit of thought. We express our clear sense in a sentence. And then one sentence is connected with another one, and another one is connected with another one. This is how we make a bigger piece of writing. But what is the definition of sentence? A sentence can be a word or group of words ensuring a clear sense in a given context. And a sentence can convey statement, question, command or exclamation. So from the definition we can see that a word can function like a sentence. So let's have some example where one word can function like a sentence. Go, do, play, enjoy, watch, see, they all are one-word sentences. And these one-word sentences are simple sentences. But at that point, one question arises. Can any word function like a sentence? Of course not. Definitely not. Only a particular type of word can function like a sentence, and that is verb. It means that a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective, or an adverb, or preposition or conjunction cannot function like a sentence. Only a verb can function like a sentence. So a sentence can be as short as a verb, and this shortest sentence is a simple sentence. But the area of simple sentence is limited to one subject and one predicate. Let's have some examples where we can see the subject and predicate in the sentence. John helps the people. The sun rises in the east. Honesty is the best policy. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. He sings. Here he, John, honesty, Dhaka, John, they all are subjects. What is the definition of subject? A subject can be a person, place, event, thing or idea which is being described in the sentence, and the predicate describes the subject. So we have come to know about subject and predicate. So a predicate can consist of a verb, only a verb. At the same time, a predicate can consist of a verb plus an object or complement. So let's have some other examples so we can see how a predicate can consist of only a verb, and a predicate can consist of a verb plus object or complement. He sleeps. In that sentence, the predicate ends up in only a verb, that is sleep. The sun rises in the east. Rises here, the verb, in the east is the phrasal complement. I eat rice. Here rice is the object and eat is the verb. So we can see that a predicate can consist of a verb. He sleeps. Sleeps is the verb only. The sun rises in the east. In the east is the complement. I eat rice. Rice is the object. So a complement can consist of a verb. At the same time, it can consist of a verb plus object or complement. At that point, you also need to understand what is object, what is complement. Later, I will definitely make a video on object and complement so that you can understand the difference between very clearly. So far I have talked about the area of simple sentence, that a simple sentence is limited to a subject and a verb. A subject can be a person, place, event, thing or idea which is being described in the sentence, and the predicate describes the subject. And a predicate can be as short as a verb, and it can also add an object or complement. So a simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. And we can make the sentence a bigger one. If we connect two simple sentences by a coordinating conjunction, we actually end up in making a compound sentence. For example, he is happy. He is happy is a simple sentence, but he is poor. Here he is poor is another simple sentence, and these two simple sentences here are connected by one coordinating conjunction, that is but. Let's have another example. Move or die. Move here is a simple sentence, and here the move or die. Here move one simple sentence, die is another simple sentence. And these two simple sentences here are connected by another coordinating conjunctions, that is or. He is happy and he is rich. He is happy, one simple sentence. He is rich, another simple sentence. And these two simple sentences here are connected by another coordinating conjunction, and that is and. So when two simple sentences are connected by any coordinating conjunction, we actually end up in making a compound sentence. Now you understand what is simple sentence. A simple sentence is limited to one independent clause. That is, a simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. But in a compound sentence, we have more than one simple sentences connected by coordinating conjunction. But there are some clauses where we find a subject and predicate, but this clause cannot make a clear sense. And these type of clauses are called dependent clauses. For example, if you work hard, then it has to be something. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. Then it make a clear sense. If you work hard, you will get a good marks. If you work hard, you will make a good result in the exam. So this dependent clause is actually joined by another independent clause. When one dependent clause is joined by another independent clause, we actually end up in making a complex sentence. So if you want to understand the simple complex sentence and compound sentence, you have to understand the dependent clause and independent clause. At the same time, we use coordinating conjunction in order to connect to independent clauses, and we use subordinating conjunction in order to connect one dependent clause and one independent clause. So you have to understand the conjunctions elaborately, the coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Earlier, I posted one video entirely on conjunctions, and from there you can come to know about various types of coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunction. And if you understand coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, you can definitely be able to make complex and compound sentences. Hope that you will watch that video and you will be able to make complex and compound sentences. So from this lecture, we have come to know about sentence structure. We have come to know about the simple sentences, that the area of simple sentence is limited to one subject and one predicate, and then we can make a compound sentence by connecting two simple sentences together by any coordinating conjunctions. And then we can make a complex sentence when we connect one dependent clause and one independent clause by any subordinating conjunction. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Thank you. Take care.